Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishav and I'm here again with another new video. So in this video, I will discuss about the turbo offer. Okay, so I will discuss all the pros and cons related to that turbo offer. So watch this video completely to understand everything in detail. Okay, and I will describe all those points that came into your mind after seeing the turbo orientation session. Okay, so I know many guys attended the turbo orientation session, and I also go through the session recording and I get to know many of the things about the turbo offer. So I will suggest you in this video that turbo is beneficial for you or not. Okay, so most of the candidates did not receive the turbo offer mail, so those guys are very worried that we did not get the turbo offer mail. So what will happen next? We have to join in Elite, or we will have a hope to get the turbo offer letter. Okay, so I will describe the things that came on the turbo offer. Actually, I watched the session recording yesterday midnight. Okay, and in that session recording I get to know about many things. The things that I get to know after watching that session recording about turbo is that they are asking for you to complete a certification program to be a part of turbo. Okay, means they are saying that if you do the Java full stack or .NET full stack or cloud training certification, and if you complete that certification training, then only you will get the turbo offer. Means you have to do the certification, spend your 5 or 6 months in that training, and if you did not pass that certification, you will not get the turbo offer. So this is a very demerit thing. And also they are saying that you have to pay money. Means this turbo offer is not free. You have to pay for that certification program that they are organizing with the linked platforms that offering the certification. Okay, so you have to first complete that certification program, and then after they will hire you after 6 months and then give you the double package. So it is a very good thing that they are offering the double salary, means double package. In turbo, you are already know the package is much higher than the Elite program. Okay, so it is better for you and beneficial for you also, because if you take it as a certification program that you are doing with your own, means after spending your money you will get that certification degree, and then after you will join in company and you will get the turbo benefits. Okay, so it will be beneficial for you, but there are two conditions. Means what are those conditions? First of all, there are many candidates who belong to a rich family, and there are many candidates who belong to a poor family. So we have to take care of those two aspects. Okay, and if you belong to a rich family and you have no issue of money, then you can spend in this turbo offer around I think 20 or 30,000 rupees, and then they will provide you the certification, and then you will get the turbo offer with high package. Okay, but you have to wait for 6 months. Okay, so you have to spend your time there in certification, then you will get the turbo package. But if you belong to a poor family and you don't have much money to spend in certification program, then you have to join the Elite program, because if you don't spend in the certification training and also don't pass that certification, then you will not get the turbo offer. So this is a bad news for you guys if you are poor and you have not much money to spend in turbo. Okay, and also you will get the onboarding 6 months delay. Means after completion of that certificate, approx in month of July you will get the onboarding. Okay, and if you join in Elite, hopefully they will onboard you in 1 or 2 3 months. Okay, so if you are fresher and want that turbo package, you have to spend your money and do the certification program in 6 months. Okay, then after you will get the turbo benefits, otherwise you have to join in Elite only. Okay, so both the things are good. Means if you join Elite, you will get the salary and also all those benefits that the company are providing. Okay, but if you get in turbo and you spend your money and time of 6 months, then you will reach to a point where you will get the double salary and start your career with a boost. Okay, so it all depends upon you guys, that if you have money and you are willing to spend in that turbo offer, then I will suggest you to take that turbo offer. It will be beneficial for you in future also, and you will start your career with a boost. Okay, so these things I want to tell you in this video. Hope you enjoy this video and find this video helpful. Okay, so meet me in next video. Bye bye, take care, and you can watch my other 2 videos that I will put at last. Okay, so bye, best of luck for your future.